Good morning, students. Today we're going to participate in our meaningful morning message for today, which is August 17th. We will begin our meeting today greeting each other by name. I would like for you to tell everyone in the class your name. We can use the following sentence starter if you have a difficult time. Good morning, my name is, and I am blank to be here today. So, for example, you can say, good morning, my name is Miss Jones, and I am excited to be here today. So we're going to take some time, and we're going to greet one another. So after they greet one another, then it's going to be time to go ahead to your sharing component. What are you looking forward to this school year? You're going to allow kids to share out with one another and explain and give them time to explain what they're looking forward to. And remember, as a teacher, you can share out as well. After that, you're going to go ahead and go into your group activity. Let's do some dancing, just to get them excited and moving and not so stagnant. And then the link for the morning dance is here, and it'll pop up.
Grammarly can help you write quickly.
Skipping the ads, of course. Okay, after the dance, I'm going to go ahead and give my message. Welcome to 4th grade. Welcome to your new virtual classroom. We are very excited that you are in our 4th grade class this year. We're going to have fun learning reading, writing, math, science, social studies, and lots more. We will play games and enjoy being friends with one another. I know that you're going to do your homework and work hard to be the best 4th grader you can be. We can't wait to get to know you and have a great year. And then you put your name. You say your name. So this is just a quick overview of the morning meeting that should be done before your math block. I hope this kind of helps.